Are you tired of searching for that perfect manufacturing business idea? Do you dream of starting your own manufacturing business but don't know which machines to invest in? In this video, we are sharing 20 small business machines to start manufacturing businesses in this year. First on our list is the CNC milling machine. This powerhouse can cut and shape metal, wood, or plastic with incredible precision. It is a must-have for industries like automotive and custom furniture. Second machine is injecting molding machine. Do you want to produce automotive parts, plastic toys, containers, etc.? This machine is ideal for fast, high-end plastic item manufacturings. Number 3, the laser cutting machine. It's great for cutting or engraving material including metal, acrylic, or wood. Fourth is the 3D printing machine. It's not just for tech geeks. This machine is capable of making prototypes or unique parts layer by layer, making it ideal for product designs and startups. For eco-friendly entrepreneurs, the paper cup making machine is a great option. This business is high profit and demand due to the increasing demand for disposable cups. Let's move on to the food packaging machine. Whether it's snacks, spices, or liquids, this machine automates the packaging process, saving time and ensuring hygiene. At number 7, we have the shoe making machine. From sandals to sports shoes, this machine helps you produce durable and stylish footwear efficiently. 8th on our list is the textile knitting machine, ideal for the apparel industry. It's used to make high-quality fabric and garments. Next is the soap making machine. Whether you're into bar soaps or liquid soaps, this machine simplifies production and lets you experiment with creative formulas. At number 10, we have the plastic recycling machine. This is an excellent machine for eco-friendly companies. Let's talk about the powder coating machine. This machine adds a wear-resistant coating to metal surfaces, great if you manufacture utensils or parts of a car. 12 is the blow molding machine. It's used to make bottles, containers, and even tanks. Next is the printing press machine. This allows for high-quality prints for any specialty business, whether it be books, brochures, packaging, etc. 14th, the woodworking CNC router. This machine is ideal for anything from furniture to decorative items for anyone who is passionate about custom woodwork. At number 15, we have the LED bulb assembly machine. With the growing demand for energy-efficient lighting, this business is highly lucrative. Next is the sheet metal bending machine. It stamps and bends sheets of metal, which makes it great for building and appliance making. 17th, the 13th ice cream cone making machine teams up with the ice cream brands or open up a cone business, sweet earnings. 18th is the bottle filling and capping machine, designed for liquids, oils, or pharmaceuticals, automating for high efficiency. At number 19, we have the brick making machine. And finally, number 20, the wire drawing machine. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.